Do you want to tell them what we are making today?
Pancakes.
So first we're gonna put flour in here, our dry ingredients. 3 cups, okay? 1 cup. So you got 2 cups now. Third one. Pinch of salt here. Sprinkle on top. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon here. What else we're gonna add now?
Baking powder.
4 teaspoons of baking powder. It's fluffy and soft.
4.
A mix to this one now. Yes. Or wet mix now. Or wet ingredients now. 1 egg. Do you want to crack 1 egg? Come on.
Put this on my shoulder.
Okay.
I can't wait to eat the pancake.
Maybe some orange juice. Nice orange flavor.
Squeeze some on my mouth.
I'm gonna mix this one.
It's super easy.
Add the butter. You keep mixing. I will add the thing. Pour this into dry mix.
Let's do a spatula.
Oh, we missed something. You know what?
What?
Milk. Your milk.
I got to pour in because I'm the charge.
Okay, you're the charge.
Really?
Yeah, okay. You see, we forgot one ingredients to put in there. That's the most important ingredients, you know. You can't over mix this one, you know. Yeah, if you mix it over, the pancake's gonna be tough. So it's gonna be like a runny dough, a little bit. There we go. Put this one here, and we're gonna let it bubbles started to come up here. That's when it's getting ready.
Pancake now.
Woohoo! Have a look. Wow, beautiful, eh? Wow, Radhi, your pancakes looks nice, eh? Open your wide mouth. Beautiful. Take this for you. Happy?